Why AI scheduling tools matter.
Balancing work and personal life can be challenging, especially with busy schedules. AI-powered scheduling tools are designed to help. They automate calendar management, organize tasks, and suggest optimal time slots, making it easier to prioritize what matters most. Using these tools can reduce stress and help you achieve a healthier, more productive daily routine.
Getting started with personal AI assistants.
Begin by exploring popular AI scheduling tools such as Google Calendar, Microsoft Outlook, or specialized apps like Reclaim and Motion. Set up your account, connect relevant calendars, and grant the necessary permissions. These tools can sync all your commitments, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks, while providing a single view of your day.
Setting boundaries and smart reminders.
Leverage AI tools to define clear work and personal time blocks. Set rules for when to accept or decline meetings, and automate reminders for breaks, family time, or exercise. Smart reminders prevent overbooking and gently nudge you to step away, promoting consistent routines and well-being throughout your day.
Automating routine tasks.
AI assistants can handle repetitive tasks like rescheduling meetings, sending confirmations, and prioritizing urgent matters. Use features like automatic meeting suggestions based on free time, and set preferences for focus hours. This automation frees up mental space, allowing you to direct energy toward meaningful work and personal activities.
Reviewing and improving balance.
Regularly review your calendar analytics, which many AI scheduling tools provide. Look for patterns, such as overbooked periods or neglected personal time. Adjust settings and time blocks as needed to continually refine your work-life balance. Embracing these steps ensures your personal AI assistant becomes a reliable partner in achieving harmony.